We've got an opportunity update. Now you're able to decouple contacts and opportunity owners. This feature allows businesses within the CRM to assign separate owners for contacts and opportunities, providing enhanced flexibility and delegation of responsibilities within their organization. Let's talk about those benefits. Now we can customize the ownership. We can tailor ownership settings to match your business's specific structure and workflow. This is going to allow for seamless communication. Now you can automatically update followers based on the opportunity ownership changes. And this is going to give you greater control and flexibility. Now you can decouple owners from contacts and opportunities to gain greater control and flexibility. As far as practical use goes, now a small business owner can use the contact and opportunity owner decoupling feature to assign different team members as owners for contacts and for opportunities. For instance, while a salesperson may own the contact, a different team member responsible for account management can now own the opportunity. This is going to streamline your workflow and it's going to improve collaboration. Now let me show you exactly where this is located. First, we're going to access Settings in the left-hand navigation menu. From there, we are going to customize the opportunity settings. To do that, you're going to make sure that you're under Opportunities and Pipelines. Then you're going to make sure that you're under Opportunities. And then you're going to toggle on the new setting that allows different owners from contacts and its opportunities. Now go ahead and mark those settings the way you need them to be and save. This feature empowers businesses to customize ownership settings, ensuring seamless communication and greater control as well as flexibility in managing contacts and opportunities, ultimately enhancing organizational efficiency and productivity. We hope you enjoy this new feature. Let us know if you need any help at all.